Hi, today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see sound mode section, and just to switch ring mode to the silent mode you should just select the silent mode, and to turn it off we should switch it to the vibration or ring one. Also we can activate silent mode by mute ringtone volume panel, and by unmuting we will turn off the silent mode. One more way, so just open the control panel and find here ring icon, click twice on the ring icon, and now let's switch to the silent mode. Just to turn it off, switch silent mode icon to the ring one, and that's it. Also we get one more way, just press up or down volume buttons, then you'll see here bell icon, tap once on the bell icon. Now we can see that the silent mode is activated. Just to turn it off, click on the bell icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.